5. Healthy eating tips for festive outings and vacations. Your weight loss journey can encounter hurdles during festive seasons when you're tempted to indulge. Here are some healthy eating tips to help you stay on track. Explore cultural cuisine in moderation. Traveling opens up a world of culinary delights, and you should embrace that. But it's important to moderate your intake of local cuisine and signature dishes. This way, you can savor the culture while staying mindful of your health. Make hydration your priority. Staying hydrated is essential, especially when you're traveling or attending social gatherings. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go and make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes thirst can masquerade as hunger, so drinking enough water can help you avoid overeating. Be flexible and balanced. Life is all about balance. If you indulge in a decadent meal one day, try to balance it out with lighter, healthier choices the next. This will help you stay on track without feeling restricted. Snack strategically. Keep a stash of nutritious snacks like nuts, fruit, or protein bars on hand when you're out. This will come in handy during travel delays or when you're faced with limited healthy options. Choose smart portions. Portion control is key to healthy eating. Instead of going all in, choose smaller, more reasonable servings. This will allow you to enjoy the flavors without overindulging.